Are you fed up with extravagant weight loss diets that promise much yet deliver little? Imagine a meal plan that is not only affordable, but also effective in helping you shed those stubborn pounds without feeling deprived. This simple South African meal plan fits seamlessly into your busy lifestyle, utilizing real food that is widely available and doesn't break the bank. Begin your day with a nourishing breakfast that kickstarts your metabolism. Picture a boiled egg, its golden yolk gleaming with protein and nutrients. Pair it with a slice of low-GI brown bread, its hearty texture providing the perfect base. Add the sweet crunch of a fresh apple or a banana, adding a hint of natural energy. Sip on a warm cup of rooibos tea, its rich color enveloping you in comfort, but remember, no sugar. For lunch, envision a succulent grilled chicken breast or fish, the aroma tantalizing your senses. On the side, enjoy a vibrant medley of steamed vegetables like spinach, carrots, and green beans, each bite bursting with flavor and color. Complement this with half a cup of pap or brown rice, offering a satisfying base that fuels your body effectively. This meal reignites your energy levels, keeping you fueled and happy throughout your busy day. As an afternoon treat, indulge in a healthy snack. Picture a handful of unsalted peanuts, their crunchiness delivering a satisfying munch. Or even a boiled egg, its simplicity providing a complete protein pick-me-up. This snack keeps hunger at bay without excessive calories, preparing you for dinner. Unwind your day with a comforting dinner. Imagine a steaming bowl of vegetable soup or hearty lentils, bringing warmth and nourishment. Pair this with a small sweet potato, its sweetness complementing the savory broth beautifully. Finish your meal with a soothing herbal tea, calming your mind as you prep for a restful night. Keep stocked with at least 6 to 8 glasses of water throughout the day, washing away toxins and aiding digestion. This meal plan is uncomplicated and perfectly tailored for a real South African lifestyle. It steers away from sugary drinks, fried foods, and oversized portions, ensuring you stay on track. Take the challenge. Give this plan a shot for just 7 days and share your transformation in the comments. If this meal plan resonates with you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the QuickFit USASA community for more practical fitness tips.
QuickFit USA in Corville, online medical.